Hi guys, this is Arsul Gosavi, and today's our video topic is static keyword. So in Java, we know that there were more than 4 to 5 important keywords are already present that are predefined keywords. So and those are non-primitive data. Those are comes under in non-primitive data types. So when we discuss about static keyword, so the meaning of that static keyword says that it is used for the memory management unit in program. If we apply any variable as a static, then it can save the memory, or it can be allot the memory only once at the time of its creation, at the time of its initialization of that variable static. Means it will acquire only once memory in that program in ACP, sorry, in if. So if we given any variable as a static, or if we given a keyword to variable as a static, then it cannot change, or if it is changed, then it can contain only one instance, only one specific value. So if we goes through our by through the our programming language, if we see the specific definition of our static keyword, at that time we can say that the static is nothing but it is a keyword which specify only one's memory at the time of initialization, and it will be save the memory for a program, and it does not goes to change afterwards. If it That means the memory allocation of that variable is only once. It can if we given a static to other any other variable, then that variable having acquire memory in memory management unit only once. It cannot having, if we given the second value to the static variable, then it can store that new value, or that refresh new value, it store inside that memory location. But if we understand the static meaning, and keep in mind, if we given the second static variable, sorry, if we given the second input to our static variable, then it does not get second memory allocation. It given that it having allocated already memory in that memory space. So because of it override on that past value, and new value will be stored in that static variable. So this is the meaning of static keyword in our Java. So if we discuss about what static impacts on our or on which concepts static can be applied. If we say that static can be a method, static can be a variable, static can be a class, no sorry, static can be a nested class. So these are the types of our static. So if we apply any nested class as a static, then it would allocate only one memory, only once in a memory location. If we apply any variable, as we discussed, it get only one time memory at that time of initialization of that variable or that class. You should get only once memory. If we given again second time, then it override that new value and stored in that same memory location, but it does not get any new memory or a new location to the memory, because it is a static. So if we will give an example of static, if we take an method can also be static. We will discuss in example. So if we take the example of class any class A. In that class A, there were string name is a variable. Second variable is a roll number, and the third variable is college name. If we give one static keyword to the variable, then that college name will be that college name is an instance variable. And if we given the static keyword to that college variable, then it does not change after all, or it does not get a memory say afterwards, that creation of the that college variable. So in method inside second method, or in constructor of that class A, we call that name of that student, roll number, and we cannot call the college of the student. And if we print in a sysout, that is first one, name of that student, roll number of that student, and third one we can also print the college of the student. And if we run that program in a main method to getting in the output, so we can get the output as student name, their roll number, and their college name. If we can give an example, the Harshal having roll number 1 and the college name is PREC. So this will be the use of static in form of variable, and in form of methods. If we discuss, if we given or if we given any method as a static, then that method does not having or that class does not have to create an object of that class. So if we call that method or class by directly name, then it will direct given an output. It does not require to create an object. So if we keep in mind, and if we understand such minor things in concern with our static variable, so if we if in concern with our static variable, then we says that static variable cannot or static variable does not need to create an object of that class. So this would be the most important advantage also in concern of our static variable. So this is the little bit information about our static variable. Thank you.